And if you were here, you'd smell a single cedar leaf candle. But you're not here. Because your self-care happens out on the road, riding your motorcycle protected by Progressive. So if you ride, get back on the road and enjoy 24/7 roadside assistance from Progressive, America's #1 motorcycle insurer. And then take a shower, because it's fast, like your motorcycle. Progressive Casualty Insurance Company and affiliates. Roadside assistance may require comprehensive coverage, not available in all states.
All right, who's there for heroes or their families left behind when a service member or a first responder dies or is catastrophically injured in the line of duty? Who helps our country's homeless vets? I'll tell you who. It's the Tunnel to Towers Foundation. Never forget the sacrifices of our country's greatest heroes. They're hoping all of us will donate $11 a month. Just go to their website, the letter T, the number 2, the letter T.org, the letter T, number 2, letter T.org for the Tunnel to Towers Foundation.
KSFO traffic from the Tilton Auto Body Desk.
A two-car wreck in Mountain View, South 101 before Rainstorm. 2 right lanes blocked. You're backed up from Embarcadero Road. And Palo Alto, a new crash. North 101 before University Avenue. It's in the 2 middle lanes. Look out for sheets of plywood in San Jose. South 101 before De La Cruz Boulevard. 2 right lanes. That's your traffic. I'm Brian Draper.
This report is sponsored by Staples Stores. Staples can print anything you need to move your business forward, like banners, flyers, signs, and catalogs, some even same day. And now at Staples, save $50 on your print purchase of $150 or more. Offer N61. Visit staples.com/print for details. Staples, your local print and marketing expert.
This traffic sponsored by Zero Res. Beat the spring cleaning rush and call our cleaning heroes at Zero Res. This month, take 35% off your carpet and air duct cleaning. 35% off? Wow! Visit ZeroResBayArea.com and book your appointment today.
Welcome to the Real Estate Mastermind Live, your go-to podcast and radio show for real estate investors seeking insights from industry leaders. Join hosts Seti Gershberg and Jay Tenenbaum, founders of Scottsdale Mortgage Investments, along with Edward Brown, head of investor relations for Pacific Private Money, as they dive into strategies for raising capital, closing lucrative deals, and scaling your portfolio. Tune in every week at 6 a.m. on Saturdays on KSFO or on your favorite podcast platform. Get ready to elevate your real estate game with the Real Estate Mastermind Live.
I'm a waitress, so I know the difference between regular shoes and Skechers slip-resistant work shoes. Skechers slip-resistant work shoes make my job go like this. Here's your pasta primavera.
Thanks.
While regular shoes make my job go like this. Here's your pasta primavera. And that difference is why I wear Skechers slip-resistant work shoes to keep me safe on my feet. Plus, they're easy to clean and have Skechers exclusive air-cooled memory foam for comfort throughout my shift. Get America's #1 selling work shoe at Skechers.com, a Skechers store near you, or wherever work shoes are sold. I want to learn how to cook, but I keep ordering takeout.
Accomplishing goals is hard, but when your goal is to learn a new language, Babbel makes it easy. In just 15 minutes a day, Babbel will help you start having conversations in as little as 3 weeks. Words and phrases you'll actually use. So when someone asks, "How's your French going?" you can say,
Babbel facilite grandement l'apprentissage d'une nouvelle langue.
Now try Babbel for free at Babbel.com. That's BABBEL.com. Babbel.com.
Into the building for the first time after the shooting. It was crippling, but it had to be preserved.
In response to the Pulse nightclub shooting that affected the LGBTQ community, Barbara Palma, owner of Pulse, founded the One Pulse Foundation to honor Pulse victims and survivors.
If you're an ally of this community, speak out. There are more of us together than apart. It is the power of love in its rawest form.
Join the fight for LGBTQ acceptance. Learn how at lovehasnolabels.com. Brought to you by Love Has No Labels and the Ad Council.
That's my son Jared. At the height of his fame, we lost him to an accidental drug overdose. I'm Carmela Wallace. I started Live Free 999 so that we never lose another Jared.
Go to livefree999.org to learn more.
The over nondescript building. We've once again made contact with a leader that is crime. Love and
Donald Trump just pulled a brilliant PR move. He stopped the bodega in Harlem where Alvin Bragg was going to go after and did charge the owner of that bodega for self-defense. I'll remind you of the details of that in just a moment. Welcome back to the Mark Levin Show. The Great One is off tonight. He's in Israel. He's coming home tomorrow. And he's very excited to be back with you. In the meantime, it's me, Rich Zioli, from Talk Radio 1210 WPHT in Philadelphia. Happy to be with you tonight, my fellow Levinites. A lot going on. Biden's student loan cancellations are going to cost taxpayers $559 billion. First of all, these are not cancellations. They're just shuffling the money from the deadbeats who are all privileged kids to people like you and me. And blue-collar workers who didn't go to college. People that work in the energy sector, for example, outside of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Joe Biden's speaking in Scranton again, right now, and he's on the campaign trail. I saw a story the other day in the Wall Street Journal. It's about all these people in the energy sector outside of Pittsburgh. They work in natural gas, fracking. Pennsylvania's home to the Marcellus Shale. It's one of the giant energy depositories that we have in this country. And we have enough natural gas, we could power the world for a long time, but the left hates it. The left only likes windmills that kill whales and dolphins, solar panels that are made in China, and that's it. Anything else they want to get rid of. But then I get all these blue-collar workers outside of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, working in this energy sector. You know, there's one guy interviewed in the article, he goes, I'll never vote Democrat ever again. He voted for Biden in 2020 because he didn't like Trump's mean tweets. And he said, I'll never vote Democrat ever again. These people want to destroy my jobs. They want to destroy my job. Biden's liquid natural gas export ban, which only helps Vladimir Putin. And all the other nutbags around the world. Helps Iran, helps China. But the left hates energy. You see, the problem that Joe Biden has right now, and I'll tell you exactly what it is. This is April 16th, and I'm mentioning that date because we are now in general election mode. Times have changed. Now, in the old days, you'd have the primary in the spring, and then everybody would kind of relax over the summer. You'd have the conventions, and then after Labor Day, boom, 100 miles an hour all the way to November. Times have changed. We know who the two candidates are going to be unless they swap out Biden, which I would not be surprised if they still end up pulling a switcheroo in August at their convention. But we know the candidates are going to be. Now it's a matter of marching towards the general election, which is no longer a day. As you know, it's an election season in many states, where you can vote starting in September, October. So now that things have changed, the question is, how do you reach voters? How do you get them energized? And how do you pivot from the primary, where you're trying to get your base to vote for you to get the nomination, to the general election, where you're trying to get an entirely different audience to elect you as president? Have you noticed Joe Biden has not locked down his own base yet? Joe Biden has not locked down crazy. See, the Democrat Party's nuts. The Democrat Party hates America. The Democrat Party's nuts. It is run by lunatics. You think I'm kidding? In Michigan and Minnesota, two must-win states, Joe Biden is trailing Trump in two must-win states of Michigan and Minnesota. You had people there, and it wasn't just Muslim people, but you had young people, college people, who voted for anybody else, none of the above or no name whatsoever in the Democrat primary to send a message. You have Michael Moore coming out and saying to Biden, you're going to lose. You're going to be Hillary Clinton. Your support of Israel is going to cost you the election. So since Joe Biden has not locked down crazy, he can't pivot to a general election. Right now, he should be talking about the border. If this were a normal election year, where he was the Democrat nominee and the party came home to him, well, he'd be out there talking tough on the border. He'd be out there talking tough on Israel, and he would not be playing both sides of this like he's doing. And he would be out there talking about, we got to preserve the jobs in the energy sector. I mean, he'd be winking and nodding the whole time and lying about it, but at least he'd be saying these things. But he hasn't locked down his base. He hasn't locked down crazy. And he's going to lose Michigan and Wisconsin, and he's going to lose the presidency because you have so many people there that hate Israel because they've been indoctrinated through college to believe that Israel is the oppressor. Remember, the mindset of the left is always that there are two groups, the oppressed and the oppressor. And that's America in a nutshell. And America has always been the oppressor, and all these poor people around the world we've oppressed. And within America, we have the oppressors and the oppressed. Well, Israel, they're the oppressors. And the poor Hamas Palestinians, they're all the oppressed people. This has been the indoctrination through public schools, through college. And since the left never sees shades of gray, everything is very black and white with them, it's very simple. Oppressed or oppressor. Now you have all these kids graduating college, or they're in college, they're voting, and they're angry because Joe Biden is standing with the oppressor Israel. He's not really, but from their perspective, unless Joe Biden starts chanting from the river to the sea and support the Intifada, he will never do enough, because that's how crazy the Democrat Party has become. In fact, it's become so crazy that back home in Pennsylvania, you have John Fetterman, United States Senator, coming out and saying he disagrees with Joe Biden. He disagrees with Joe Biden on the border. He disagrees with Joe Biden on his stance on Israel. Now, I can analyze that for you a number of different ways. The first one being that John Fetterman is playing a long con here, as they say. And the long con being that he's trying to make everybody think he's now some moderate so that he can help Biden in the end. Theory number two is that John Fetterman realizes now that times have changed, and a lot of the people that were his people, the hardworking blue-collar Rust Belt people, they're not voting Democrat. They're voting Republican because they believe Donald Trump stands with them and is going to fight to defend their jobs. Do you remember what the head of the United Auto Workers Union said? This guy's amazing. They endorsed Joe Biden for president, and the head of the UAW comes out and says, I know that a great majority, not just a majority, but a great majority of our members are not going to vote for Joe Biden. They're going to vote with their paycheck. You see, there's this disconnect between the head of the unions and the actual union workers. You see it all the time. Guys working the road, you know, they've got their union hats on and their Trump stickers and Trump shirts. Hard-working blue-collar guys. So these guys outside of Pittsburgh, for example, working in the energy sector, know the Democrats want to shut down their industry. And Joe Biden would normally go up there and he'd shake hands with them and say, oh, natural gas is important and we support it, we support your jobs, but he can't do that because Crazy wants to shut down fracking. And since he has not locked down Crazy, he can't even pretend to be in a general election. That's the biggest problem Joe Biden has right now at this point in time. He should be in general election mode and he's still This is John Fetterman. The other theory with John Fetterman is that at some point he had a body double come in, and that body double has just taken over for him. And the body double is more conservative. Like the movie Dane, Kevin Kline's Sigourney Weaver, where the president has a stroke, and then they bring in this guy who does a great impression of him, but then he ultimately changes politics because he gets to buy into the first lady and acts like the president for real, but his policies completely shift. Could be like that. That's another theory. I'm not saying that's the right one. I'm just saying I have three theories on what's happening. Could be a combination of all. Who knows? But here's the one. At one time, John Fetterman was out there saying he was going to be the Bernie Sanders of Pennsylvania. Bernie Sanders is out there yelling that Israel should not get another dime until they stop the quote-unquote genocide in Gaza. Now, the guy who said that he was the Bernie Sanders of Pennsylvania, the must-win presidential state of Pennsylvania, is now coming out and blasting Biden for not standing firmly with Israel. See, the Democrat Party's crazy. In a state like Pennsylvania, we have a long history of Democrats who have tried to pretend like they're moderate. And some of them were. You know, back in the day when Bob Casey Sr. cut off funding for Planned Parenthood, it led to a major Supreme Court case called Casey v. Planned Parenthood.